Hello friends, welcome once again to ASOM for Online Maths. In this video, we shall continue with our works on differentiation. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by YouLesson app. Remember that in our last lesson where I talked about differentiation, I made us to understand that differentiation is an instantaneous rate of change of one quantity with respect to another. All right? And we are able to talk about the differentiation from the first principle. That is what we discussed in the last lesson. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you the formula of differentiation that will enable you to carry out any derivative with ease. Now, supposing you have the function that y is equal to x to the power of n, and you want to differentiate this. To differentiate this, you write dy over dx, that is the rate of change of y with respect to x. What you have to do is that anything you have as the power here must come to the back. Our power is n, so n must come to the back. You have your x. The same power, take away 1. That's all. Bring the power to the back, take away 1 from the power, you get your answer. For example now, supposing you have the function that y is equal to x to the power of 3. If you want to differentiate this function, dy all over the x will be equal to the power of 3 will come to the back. You have 3x, the same power, minus 1. From this, you notice that dy over the x will give us 3x to the power of 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. Very simple, isn't it? Supposing you still have that y is equal to 4x to the power of 5, and you want to differentiate this. Very simple. Dy all over the x will be equal to, already we have 4 at the back. The 5, which is a power, will come to the back. 4 will multiply 5. X, take away 1 from the power. From this, we shall have that dy over the x is equal to 4 times 5 is 20. You write 20. X to the power of 5 minus 1 is 4. This is just the solution to this particular problem. I don't want to delve into this topic immediately. I'm just giving you the basics you need to know, so that in the subsequent videos, we are going to unfold a lot of things that concerns derivatives. Now, I want to also let you know in this video that whenever you differentiate a number that is a constant, it must always give you 0. For example now, let's say we have that y is equal to 5, and I want to find dy dx. Remember that this 5 can be written as 5x to the power of 0, because from the laws of indices, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this x power 0 is just like 1. And when 1 multiplies 5, it will still give us 5. Hence, from here, dy over the x will be the power is 0. It comes to the back. It will multiply the 5. X, 0 minus 1. Of course, 0 times 5 is 0 times x to the power of 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Any number whatsoever multiplied by 0 will always give us 0, whether a letter or a number. So no matter the constant you are having here, if I have 6 here, it will be 0 times 6, which is 0. If I have 7 here, it will be 0 times 7, which is 0. If I have 4 here, it will be 0 times 4, which is 0. So anytime you differentiate a constant, you must get a 0. That is what I want you to understand here. Because in the next lesson, we'll be talking about differentiation of sum. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by YouLesson app. Go to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok and follow ASOM Online Maths. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you. Bye-bye.